Welcome to the garden. Today I'm going to share with you my new secret weapon in cleaning our compost bin. This is actually the container that sits in our kitchen that we fill with food scraps. Then once it fills up, I take it out to the compost pile to empty it. And it gets a little bit nasty after a couple weeks. We have coffee grounds and different types of food scraps, and sometimes they get stuck to the side. I used to clean this with a watering can, and that does get a lot of the coffee grounds, but that doesn't remove the stickier stuff on the sides, which I used to have to scrub. So I would use a stick or a handful of leaves, which then you have to reach in there and have to really be careful not to touch the sides. But even then, that doesn't get every last bit. So lately I've been coming out to the garden and using the hose. And we have quite a few settings here to play with. I like to use flat. And I'll just spray down the top, on the outside and the inside. And this really does a great job of washing away all the caked on muck. It's a lot like using a power washer. It really cleans the sides well. And then I'll just dump the leftover coffee grounds onto the garden. Because they're so small, they compost fairly quickly anyways. But this is a really quick and simple way to clean the bin without having to scrub it. If there's anything stuck in the bottom, you can just hold it upside down. Spray it out like that. And now this is ready to go inside, and we can sterilize it further with bleach if we want to. That'll just help keep down any smells. This can also help kill any bad bacteria that may accumulate over time. So that's just a really quick and simple way to wash your compost with very little effort. So I hope you give this a go in your garden. Thank you all so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.